Hey y'all, my name is Cleela and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys the tea on where y'all need to be eating when you come to Atlanta, Georgia. In this video, I'm gonna be letting you guys know the best places to eat when you're in ATL. So if you like good seafood, soul food, Mexican food, brunch food, all that. If you like all those foods plus more, and if you live in the Atlanta area or if you're visiting the Atlanta area, you're gonna wanna watch this video, so stay tuned. But before we get into all this good food, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to leave me a comment. If you guys know of any good food spots in Atlanta, leave them down below. Let the family know where the good food spots are at, okay? So first and foremost, one of the best spots, one of the go-to spots that you have to try when you come to Atlanta. If you like seafood, this is for my seafood lovers. Juicy crab. You have to try juicy crab if you visit Atlanta. It's in Marietta, Smyrna. It's like in that area, the Smyrna, Marietta area. So it's like about 15 minutes outside of Atlanta. Y'all have to try it. Oh my God. They have such good seafood. It's so well seasoned. So juicy crab is actually infamous for their seafood bag boils. Their boils come with corn and potatoes. And I like to add egg. Y'all, it's so good. I get the juicy special hot because I love hot food. And the juicy special is just all their flavors mixed together. It's so good. Y'all have to try juicy crab. So that is first and foremost. And I'm a seafood lover, so that's why I had to put juicy crab first. So I'm telling you, if you are in Atlanta, go to juicy crab. So this next spot is for my soul food lovers. If you love soul food, you're gonna love Busy Bee. It's so good. And they're really infamous for their fried chicken. So if you love fried chicken, this is the place for you. This place is always busy. It's always packed. It's one of everyone's favorite soul food spots. Like, this place is always packed. It's always like an hour, 2 hour, 3 hour long wait. So y'all, if you have the opportunity to try Busy Bee, you have to. I went one time with my best friend. It was so good. Their chicken is like kind of sweet. It's good though. Like, it sounds a little weird, but it's not. It's really good. Like, they have their own special recipe for their chicken. It's so good. Their sides were so good. It's real quality food. So if you're a soul food lover, try Busy Bee. So my next spot is for my people who like to turn up, who like to smoke hookah, drink good drinks, and have good food and good vibes. Cirque is for you. Cirque is located in the Midtown area, so it's like in the central area of Atlanta, and it's just a vibe. Like, it's valet parking. I think you pay like $5, $10 after a certain time for parking, and the food is so good. It's good energy. The drinks are good. The hookah's always good. Like, their food, it's not like bar food. Like, this food is good. Like, you can order lamb chops. You can order lobster, like seafood. It's really quality food. And it's really quality drinks. Like I said, like, everything's a vibe. So if you want to like have a vibe while you're eating, and you're not just there for the food, you're there for like a good time, you want to go to Cirque. Another like turn up spot while you're eating is BQE Lounge. They're located in the downtown area. Y'all, it is so good. Their brunch is so good. I always get their red velvet waffles and fried chicken, and I add some mac and cheese. Y'all. But their brunch is always packed. Like, if you want to go to brunch at BQE, you're gonna have to make reservations or like show up at like 8 o'clock in the morning. Like, I promise you, they'll end up telling you that you're not gonna get a table, like, period. You'll have to go somewhere else. That's happened to me so many Sundays and Saturdays you wouldn't believe. Like, y'all, BQE is like that. Everyone knows it. Like, it's the brunch spot. Like, and I had their catfish chicken fingers. That's good too. That's good too. They have really good food, really good hookah, really good drinks, really good vibes. Like, it's like Cirque. It's just like a turn up thing. It's like a lounge, but like way better food. It's like a restaurant and a lounge. So it's a vibe, it's a vibe. So number 5, mangoes. If y'all love Jamaican food, y'all go to Mangoes. They are located in the downtown area. If you love Jamaican food, like, or Caribbean food more so. So if you love Caribbean food and that's your thing, if you love oxtails and jerk chicken, y'all go to Mangoes. Before you go to any other Caribbean spot, you need to go to Mango. Then I have another brunch spot for my baddies who love brunch. I have Milk and Honey. Milk and Honey is so good. It's located in South Atlanta, so it's not necessarily in the central area. It's not like this big old vibe. Honestly, they don't even really have drinks and hookah. They don't have hookah at all. Their drinks are like, you can maybe get a mimosa, but this is strictly for food. Like, Milk and Honey is just food. Not the whole hookah and experience thing. It's more so just a restaurant, but y'all, it's so good. That takes nothing away from the food. I'm not taking anything away from the food. It's just that it's a different type of brunch vibe. It's not the hookah brunch vibe. It's just good food. But we like that too. So Milk and Honey is really good if you're looking for brunch. Then this is for my seafood lovers. Papados. Papados is not only located in Atlanta, it's located in other parts of the United States, but I thought I'd mention it just because it's so good. A lot of people go there if they're celebrating an event like their birthday or an anniversary or just something, and they have happy hour where their drinks are really good and really inexpensive, and they have really good seafood. It's just quality. Papados is gonna give you a quality experience. So if you like seafood and if you like the whole quality dining and good drinks, you're gonna like Papados. So for our 8th spot, I gotta give y'all a wing spot. Like, we can't talk about Atlanta without talking about wings. So 2 of my go-to wing spots are JR Cricket and American Deli. Oh my God, y'all. I love lemon pepper wings from both those places. American Deli is, like I said about Papados, in other parts of the United States, but it's still worth mentioning. Especially because if you get lemon pepper wings, you can put your own lemon pepper on it. So you can put as much as you want. And then they have the peach lemonade. Y'all, American Deli is where it's at if you're looking for wings. And JR Cricket too. So JR Cricket might only be in Atlanta. I don't know, but I think it is. I don't know, I might be wrong. But it's one of those spots you gotta go to when you come to Atlanta. It's so good. Their wings are quality. And while we're talking about chicken, I have to mention JJ's Fish and Chicken. They are based out of Chicago. They are so good. That's a fried chicken spot that you have to go to if you're in the Atlanta area. They have really good French fries as well, and they give you bread with the food, and they have like these icy lemonades, and they have desserts there, like cakes and stuff, but their fried chicken is like that. The next spot is gonna be for my vegans. So 2 vegan spots that I love in Atlanta are Viva La Vegan and Slutty Vegan. These are really good vegan spots. Slutty Vegan has hot dogs and hamburgers and cheeseburgers. They're so good. You can add bacon. It tastes just like a burger. Like, it's so good. So you have to try Slutty Vegan. And Viva La Vegan, their menu is very large. They have a very wide selection. I don't know much about the vegan lifestyle, but I do know that I've eaten there a few times and I was able to get different things. Like, things I wouldn't think I'd be able to. Like, one time I got a Philly cheesesteak. I was like, wait, what? Like, half. But y'all, and it tasted just like a Philly cheesesteak. I cannot make this up. Viva La Vegan is like that. It's located on the south side of Atlanta. It's so good. Like, y'all, look at their menu. You will really be able to get things that you can get anywhere, and it tastes just like it. And it's vegan. It's all healthy. It's all organic. So I love Viva La Vegan and Slutty Vegan. So if you are into healthy options, and honestly, even if you're not into healthy options, you need to try them anyways. It might change your life. It might change your health. All right, y'all, so that completes this video, and I hope this video was helpful. I hope that I was able to give you guys some good food options to try. If you guys live in Atlanta, or if you're visiting Atlanta, you are gonna want to try these places. And comment down below if I missed anything. I've only been living here for about 2 years, so I'm pretty sure I missed something. So if you guys know of any food spots that I don't know about, please leave them down below. Please let me know. Please let the family know. And don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like this video if you love food as much as I do. All right, love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.